Are you ready to be the hero of your next summer party? In today's video, I've rounded up the 5 best electric shaved ice machines for 2026. From high-powered industrial crushers to complete party kits that come with everything you need, we're finding the one that delivers that perfect melt-in-your-mouth snow. Let's get started.
Product number 1, Professional Shaved Ice Machine RX03 Electric Snow Cone Maker. The RX03 is a powerhouse designed for those who want professional-grade snow in the comfort of their kitchen. Operating at 60 watt with a universal 120-volt connection, this machine is specifically engineered to create a fluffy, fine texture rather than chunky crushed ice. Its build quality is impressive, featuring a high-torque motor that handles large batches without overheating, which is essential for birthday parties or family gatherings. The safety features are top-notch, ensuring the blades only spin when the lid is securely locked. It's remarkably easy to clean, as the components disassemble quickly. For home users who want to recreate the authentic ICE or Carnival-Style snow cone experience, the RX03 offers a reliable and efficient performance that justifies its professional title. It is the perfect entry point for a summer-ready countertop. Product number 2, Ice Mage Shaved Ice Machine 60-Second Slushy Maker. The Ice Mage stands out in 2026 for its sheer speed and versatility. Its no pre-freezing technology means you can use standard ice cubes straight from your freezer to get a perfect slushie in under 60 seconds. What truly makes this a premium pick is the ability to choose from 15 different textures, ranging from coarse granita to ultra-fine powder. It's also all drink compatible, meaning you can freeze juice or coffee into cubes and shave them directly for flavored treats. At only 50 decibels, it is exceptionally quiet, allowing you to prep drinks during a party without drowning out the conversation. The one-touch operation simplifies the process for any user. If you value customization and quiet operation for a sophisticated home bar or dorm room, the Ice Mage is the most technologically advanced option on this list.
Product number 3, Strong Bear Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Strong Bear has designed this machine with the ultimate party host in mind. It is marketed as a premier gift for housewarmings and kids' birthdays, and it lives up to the hype with its durable, kid-friendly design. The motor is calibrated to produce high volumes of ice quickly, ensuring no guest is left waiting. The aesthetic is clean and modern, fitting well into any kitchen decor. One of its best features is the stability of its base. It doesn't walk across the counter while under load, which is a common issue with cheaper electric shavers. It's an incredibly intuitive machine that focuses on high output and safety, making it the best choice for parents who want a fun, interactive kitchen gadget that the whole family can enjoy safely for years to come. Product number 4, Respring Snow Cone Machine 300 Watt Heavy Duty. If you are looking for raw power, the Respring Ice Crusher is the undisputed champion. Boasting a massive 300-watt motor spinning at 2,000 R per minute, this machine eats through ice at an industrial pace. It features a dual stainless steel blade system that provides a much faster shave than single-blade competitors. While it is more powerful, it remains compact enough for home kitchen storage. This is the heavy-duty option for large-scale events, where you need to serve dozens of people in a short window. The stainless steel construction of the shaving bowl and blades ensures longevity and hygiene, resisting rust even with frequent use. It's a no-nonsense tool built for efficiency and speed, making it the go-to for anyone hosting large outdoor summer bashes or neighborhood block parties.
Product number 5, Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit is the ultimate party-in-a-box solution. While the machine itself is highly efficient, the real value lies in the included starter pack: 3 popular syrup flavors, cherry, grape, and blue raspberry, 25 cups, straws, and specialized ice molds. The ice molds are a secret weapon. They create round blocks of ice that result in a much smoother, more authentic shaved texture than standard cubes. This kit is perfect for beginners because it provides every single component needed to start serving immediately. The machine is compact and easy to store, but powerful enough to handle a continuous flow of guests. If you want a complete experience without the hassle of buying accessories separately, this kit offers the best convenience and fun factor on the market.